Good evening and welcome to your weekly broadcast Morocco Market Watch on Boursenews.ma. I am Benani Ashraf, bringing you as usual the latest on local and international financial news for the week ending Friday, January 26, 2024. In our news today, the Casablanca Stock Exchange closed the week slightly in the red, with the Mazi Index dropping 43 basis points to reach 12,630 points. The Mazi 20 shed 0.53% to finish at 1,033 points, and the Mazi ESG dipped 34 basis points to close at 940 points, with a total trading volume of the week at 2,091,476,058 Moroccan dirhams. This week's trading session top gainer was Residences Dar Saada, experiencing a 12.84% spike to hold 28.12 dirhams. Contrarily, Moroccan emerged as a top loser, falling by 6.37% and retreating to 357 dirhams. Moving to the international markets check now. Wall Street experienced a modest dip on Friday morning, but remains on track to close at the opening week of earnings season with overall gains. The Dow Jones closed at 38,109 points, marking a 65 basis points increase. The S&P 500 saw a 1.06% rise, reaching 4,891 points, while the Nasdaq Composite surged by 94 basis points to close at 15,455 points. And that's a look at the closing market wrap-up for the week ending Friday, January 26th. Next in our highlights, the European Central Bank keeps rates unchanged with not even a hint of rate cuts. Both the US Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank faced the big question of when to start lowering borrowing costs. In a press conference following the meeting, President Christine Lagarde stated that policymakers have agreed that it was premature to discuss rate cuts. The Governing Council, in its decision statement, expressed a resolute determination to bring inflation back to its medium-term target of 2%, in a timely manner. The interest rate for main refinancing operations, as well as the rates for the marginal lending facility and the deposit facility, will be maintained at their current levels of 4.5%, 4.75%, and 4.0% respectively. Now, tourist revenues for the first 11 months of 2023 reached a record of nearly 97.4 billion dirhams, marking a 15.8% year-on-year increase according to the Department of Studies and Financial Forecast from the Moroccan Ministry of Finance. By the end of November 2023, tourism indicators continue to show dynamism. Arrivals to Morocco rose by 36%, totaling almost 13.3 million, with an 11% increase compared to pre-crisis levels, following a spike of 9.6% at the end of September 2023, and a decline of 18.6% a year ago. Bad night stays in classified accommodations increased by 38% year-on-year, and the recovery rate reached 101% by the end of November 2023, up from 73% in November 2022. Coming up next, here's a look now at foreign currencies and major commodities. And that was all I had for you today. Thank you for watching Bourse News financial news coverage. I am again Benani Ashraf. I'll see you soon. As usual, subscribe and keep it classy.